Welcome back to Cool Rides in New England. This is video 3 of 7 of the RAVE Car Show, so sit back and enjoy the next bunch of cars. First up, we're looking at a 1954 Chevy 3100 5-window pickup. This has got the straight 6 engine in it. Really nice paint. They did a great job on the paint. Just from that steering wheel, it would make me think that this is sitting on an S10 frame, or at least it's got the S10 rack in it. As you see, it's a 5-window, which is different than a lot of the other trucks. You can have just one really big window in the back there. And I love, again, I think I've talked about it before, I love that a lot of these trucks had wood beds in them. Just another really great little feature that they had. Sitting next to the 54 Chevy, we have a 54 Ford. This is a custom line. Some of the awards that it's gotten. Classic for the time, baby blue. Love that somebody took the time to restore a 4-door. Most people just want the 2 doors. And the theme for color goes straight into the inside with the white and teal. And now we're looking at a 56 Bel Air, Chevy Bel Air. This is a 4-door, as you can see. Nice bright red interior. I love the Tri-5 Chevys. 55, 56, 57s are amazing. Alright, now we're looking at a 64 Chevy pickup. Amazing patina on this truck. It's got a modern Vortec. It's probably the 5.3. I couldn't tell you exactly just from looking at it there, but love guys who just leave the trucks as they found them, as far as the exterior being a little bit rusted and worn. But look at that bed in there. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're looking at a 55 Chevy. This, I believe, is a 150, which would be more of a fleet service car. And this is kind of set up for drag racing. The roll bar there and the seats, racing seats. And the real tell is that sitting under the hood is that really nice Y-end blower. Supercharged, looks like a small block. I don't think it's a big block. It'd be interesting to know what kind of horsepower that thing's throwing down. Here we have for sale a 29 Ford Tudor sedan. Don't know a whole lot about it other than it's really nice looking inside and out. You can't see well with the reflections, but it really is a nice looking street rod. Here we have a 1964 Pontiac GTO. This is the car that started it all. 64 is the first year of the GTO. I think I said earlier in another video that it might have been the 63, but it's the guy who owns this car corrected me, and it is the 64. He was telling me that this particular car, when he got it, was set up as a drag car, and he spent the past few years getting it back to original as it would have come off of the showroom floor. So he did a lot of work to this car, and it definitely shows. It is, really a gorgeous looking Pontiac GTO. It even has the correct period correct engine in it. Now we've got a 71 Chevelle Malibu convertible. Chevelle Malibu names kind of intertwined for quite a while. Malibus were, I believe, the more luxurious of the, Chevelles were supposed to be the sporty, Malibus were supposed to be the more luxurious one, and this is a really nice convertible model. I've got a C4 Corvette. This particular body style, some minor tweaks to the bodies. It's from 91 to 94. Front end slightly different, and you'll see in the back here it's got the more squared off tail lights. Earlier models, earlier than 91, have round tail lights. Really nice looking car. 70 El Camino. Really nice, nicely taken care of, restored car. Truck. A lot of people do call them trucks. I've always, flip-flop back and forth between calling them a car and a truck. The front clip is from a Chevelle, and the rear is a pickup head. And we have I believe it's 66 Nova 2, or Chevy 2 Nova, however you want to say that. Nice little model car to go with it. You get to see it as much because they're doing their cleaning of it, but very nice. We have a 69 SS Camaro. Nicely blinged out under the hood. All the signs in the back there. This car may have been from, also shown in the Relay for Life video. Not 100% sure on that one. We have another one of the Tri-5 Chevys. This is a 55 Bel Air. 454 big block sitting there under the hood. I love how exterior colors go right on in to the inside as well. This Chevy Vega was from the Relay for Life video, so I didn't spend a whole lot of time looking at it. And it's got a nice high-rise there. This is, I believe it's 84 Fox Body Mustang. Convertible, of course, red on white, which is pretty common color for the convertibles anyways. Don't see very many of these early Fox Body Mustangs around anymore, so it's a applause for the people who kept this one looking as good as it is. It's a 1953 Ford F100. Looks like it could be the twin for the Mustang. Same looking red paint. Updated interior. I would imagine that the running gear in this is, may as well be a Mustang. That's a common thing for these trucks. It's either that or potentially a Ranger. But very nice. And we got a Malibu Chevelle SS convertible. This one is also in the Relay for Life video series, so if you want to get a little bit more closer look at that one, go check out those videos. 70 AMC Javelin. These again, being an AMC, are it's cars that you do not see very often at car shows. AMC's made some really radical cars and some really interesting cars. Gremlin and the Pacers being the other notable AMCs. But this is AMC's try at the pony car market, and they were fast. Love the side pipes. This third gen Camaro that was also in the Relay for Life series of videos. So again, did not go very in depth with this car. Check out the Relay for Life videos for more on that Gen 3 Camaro. And this is 74 Camaro. Not sure exactly what's got under the hood, but it's almost a very similar orange color to that Javelin. I love the rally stripes on it. That black interior with the orange piping is really nice. Sweet looking Camaro. And then here's a really, really nice one. This is a 69 Z28. These Z28 cars were basically, they're Camaro's race car. Very, lightweight, not a lot of stuff, amenities inside. They're meant to go fast. Stick shift car. Z28s are some of my all-time favorites.
That's your car?
It is.
Oh, how long have you had it?
I've had it for about 3 or 4 years now.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was my uncle's car, and he passed away a couple years ago, just out of the blue.
Yeah.
And it was his car. I used to drag race it all the time, and he turned it down to me when he passed away. So
Wow.
it's been my baby ever since.
Great, yeah. It's good to get young guys like you into the...
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
You done any upgrades to it, or is it just the way it was?
I've done quite a few things to it. The radiator is new because I was having problems trying to keep it cool.
Yep.
What else is new? I put a bigger carburetor on it than what I had it with. We're working on the interior right now. You can see it's kind of about half done.
Yeah. Hey, whatever works though, right?
Yeah. I mean, it runs and drives, and it's fast. So
Awesome.
that's all that matters.
Yeah. Nice car.
Nice to see you.
The 68 Chevelle SS 396 car. It's an automatic. I love those shifters on there. if you call it a gated shifter, but it's very unique to this time period. And sit next to this one, we have another Chevelle SS. This one's a 71. It's kind of interesting. I like the front end on the other one. I like the rear end on this one. Because rims on it. I love the green paint with the white rally stripes. This is a manual shift car. And like I said, I always like this rear end styling a little bit better than the early ones like the 68, but you can't go wrong when you got a Chevelle. Thank you for watching the third video of the RAVE Car Show. Be sure to follow us on Facebook at Cool Rides of New England. We're also on Instagram and Twitter at Cool Rides of Any, all one word, and that'll all be in the description. Look forward to showing you the next video.